राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः। वेलकम टू क्लास नंबर 15। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। श्रीकान्तो मातुलो यस्य जननी सर्वमङ्गला, जनकः शङ्करो देवः तं वन्दे कुञ्जराननम्। पीताम्बरं करविराजितशङ्खचक्रकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं, राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि। We will start with the revision of Dashakam 5 because a lot of people said that Dashakam was a little difficult. So we will just have the revision of it once. Amogha Dashakam 5.
अथ पंचमं दशकम् व्यक्ताव्यक्तमिदन्न किञ्चिदभवत् प्राक्प्राकृतप्रक्षये मायाजाङ्गुणसाम्यरुद्धविकृतौ त्वय्यागतायान् नो मृत्युश्च तदामृतं च समभून्नान्हो नरात्रे स्थितिः तत्रैकस्त्वमशिष्यथा किल परानन्दप्रकाशात्मना कालः कर्म गुणाश्च जीवनिवहा विश्वं च आज्ञौ विभो चिल्लीलारतिमेयुषि त्वयि तदा निर्लीनतामाजयुः तेषान्नैव वदन्त्यसत्त्वमजिभोः शक्त्यात्मना तिष्ठताम् नो चेत् किं गगनप्रसूनसदृशां भूजो भवेत् सम्भवः एवं च द्विपरार्धकालविगता वीक्षांसि सृक्षात्मिकां बिभ्राणे त्वयि चुक्षुभे त्रिभुवनी भावाजमाजा स्वयं माजातः खलु कालशक्तिरखिला दृष्टं स्वभावोऽपि च प्रादुर्भूय गुणान् विकास्य विदधुस्तस्याः सहायक्रियाम् मायासन्निहितो प्रविष्टवपुषा साक्षीति गीतो भवान् भेदैस्तां प्रतिबिम्बितो विविशिवान् जीवोऽपि नैवापरः कालादिप्रतिबोधिताथ भवता सञ्चोदिता च स्वयं माया सा खलु बुद्धितत्त्वमसृजद्योऽसौ महानुच्यते तत्रासौ त्रिगुणात्मकोऽपि च महान् सत्त्वप्रधानः स्वयं जीवेऽस्मिन् खलु निर्विकल्पमहमित्युद्बोधनिष्पादकः चक्रेऽस्मिन् सविकल्पबोधकमहं तत्त्वं महान् खल्वसौ सम्पुष्टं त्रिगुणैस्तमोतिबहुलं विष्णो भवत्प्रेरणात् सोऽहं च त्रिगुणक्रमत्रिविधतामासाद्य वैकारिकः भूयस्तैजसतामसाविति भवन्नाद्येन सत्त्वात्मना देवानिन्द्रियमानिनो कृतदिशा वातार्कपाश्यश्विनः वह्नीन्द्राच्युतमित्रकान् विधुविधिः श्रीरुद्रशारीरकान् भूमन्मानसबुद्ध्यहङ्कृतिमिलच्चित्ताख्यवृत्त्यन्वितं तच्चान्तःकरणं विभो तव बलात् सत्त्वांश एवासृजत् जातस्तैजसतो दशेन्द्रियगणस्तत्तामसांशात् पुनः तन्मात्रन्नभसो मरुत्पुरपते शब्दो जनित्वद्बलात् शब्दाद्व्योमततः ससज्जित विभो स्पर्शं ततो मारुतं तस्माद्रूपमतो महोऽथ चरसन्तोऽयं च गन्धं महीम् एवं माधव पूर्वकलनादाद्याद्यधर्मान्वितं भूतग्राममिमं त्वमेव भगवन् प्राकाशयस्तामसात् एते भूतगणास्तथेन्द्रियगणा देवाश्च जाताः पृथक् नोषे कुर्भुवनाण्डनिर्मितविधौ देवैरमीभिस्तदा त्वन्नानाविधसूक्तिभिर्नुतगुणस्तत्त्वान्यमून्या विशन् चेष्टाशक्तिमुदीर्यता निघटयन् हैरण्यमण्डं व्यधाः अण्डं तत्खलु पूर्वसृष्टसलिले तिष्ठत्सहस्रं समाः निर्भिन्दन्न कृथाश्चतुर्दश जगद्रूपं विराडाह्वयम् साहस्रैः करपादमूर्धनिवहैर्निःशेषजीवात्मकः निर्भातोऽसि मरुत्पुराधिप समां त्रायस्व सर्वामजात्.
Good, well recited, Amogha. In two places, one was Bhedestam Pratibimbato. You said Pratibimbito. There is another part, I think it's Pratibimbato is the part we are learning. And in the 9th shloka, No Shekur Bhuvananda Nirmiti Vidhau. You said Nirmita Vidhau. Those two. That's good recitation. We'll go to Dashakam 6, last 3 shlokas. Dashakam 6, shloka number 8.
श्रोणीस्थलं मृगगणाः पदयोर्नखास्ते हस्त्युष्ट्रसैन्धवमुखागमनं तु कालः विप्रादिवर्णभवनं वदनाब्जबाहुचारूरुयुग्मचरणं करुणाम्बुधेते संसारचक्रमयि चक्रधरक्रियास्ते वीर्यं महासुरगणोऽस्थिकुलानि शैलाः नाड्यः सरित्समुदयस्तरवच्चरो मजीयादिदं वपुरनिर्वचनीयमीश ईदृग्जगन्मयवपुस्तव कर्मभाजां कर्मावसानसमये स्मरणीयमाहुः तस्यान्तरात्मवपुषे विमलात्मने ते वातालयाधिप नमोऽस्तु निरुन्धिरोगान्.
Good. Correctly recited, but here when you say Idrik Jagan Mayavapuhu, don't say Jagan Mayavapuhu, don't give the drop in the raga there. Jagan Maya is one word, so Idrik Jagan Mayavapustava Karma Bhaja, that raga will sound. You can always use whichever raga, but those padas according to substitution. Dashakam 7, shloka number 1, Ramya.
एवं देव चतुर्दशात्मकजगद्रूपेण जातः पुनः तस्योर्ध्वं खलु सत्यलोकनिलये जातोऽसि धाता स्वयं यं शंसन्ति हिरण्यगर्भमखिलत्रैलोक्य जीवात्मकम् यो भूत्स्फीतरजो विकार विकसन्नानासि सृक्षारसः सोऽयं विश्वविसर्गदत्तहृदयः सम्पश्यमानः स्वयं बोधं खल्वनवाप्य विश्वविषयं चिन्ताकुलस्तस्थिवान् तावत्त्वं जगतां पते तपतपेत्येवं हि वैहायसीं वाणीमेनमशिश्रवः श्रुतिसुखां कुर्वंस्तप तपः प्रेरणाम् कोऽसौ मामवदत् पुमानिति जलापूर्णे जगन्मण्डले दिक्षुद्वीक्ष्य किमप्यनीक्षितवता वाक्यार्थमुत्पश्यता दिव्यं वर्षसहस्रमात्ततपसा तेन त्वमाराधितः तस्मै दर्शितवानसि स्वनिलयं वैकुण्ठमेकाद्भुतम्.
Well recited. We will move to the new shloka, and then we will see the announcements at the end of learning the new shlokas today. Raghunandanana, repeat after me. Maya yatra
माया यत्र
कदापि नो
कदापि नो कदापि नो
I'm having a lot of lag from Raghunandan's side. Is it only for me or is it for everyone?
कदापि नो
विकुरुते
विकुरुते विकुरुते
भाते जगद्भ्यो बहिः
भाते जगद्भ्यो बहिः भाते जगद्भ्यो बहिः
शोकक्रोध
शोकक्रोध शोकक्रोध
विमोहसाध्वसमुखा
विमोहसाध्वसमुखा विमोहसाध्वसमुखा
भावास्तु
भावास्तु भावास्तु
दूरङ्गताः
दूरङ्गताः दूरङ्गताः
सान्द्रानन्दझरी च
सान्द्रानन्दझरी च सान्द्रानन्दझरी च
यत्र परमज्योतिः
यत्र
परमज्योतिः
यत्र परमज्योतिः यत्र परमज्योतिः
प्रकाशात्मके
प्रकाशात्मके प्रकाशात्मके
तत्ते धाम
तत्ते धाम तत्ते धाम
विभावितं विजयते
विभावितं विजयते विभावितं विजयते
वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो
वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो
The blue underline should have been there at Rupam Vibho also. Put it there. Maya yatra kadapi
माया यत्र कदापि माया यत्र कदापि
no vigurute bhate
नो विकुरुते भाते नो विकुरुते भाते
jagadbhyo bahihi
जगद्भ्यो बहिः जगद्भ्यो बहिः
शोकक्रोध विमोह
शोकक्रोध विमोह शोकक्रोध विमोह
साध्वसमुखाः
साध्वसमुखाः साध्वसमुखाः
भावास्तु दूरङ्गताः
भावास्तु दूरङ्गताः भावास्तु दूरङ्गताः
आन्द्रानन्दझरी च
सान्द्रानन्दझरी च सान्द्रानन्दझरी च
यत्र परमज्योतिः
यत्र परमज्योतिः यत्र परमज्योतिः
प्रकाशात्मके
प्रकाशात्मके प्रकाशात्मके
तत्ते धाम विभावितम्
तत्ते धाम विभावितम् तत्ते धाम विभावितम्
विजयते
विजयते विजयते
वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो
वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो
माया यत्र कदापि नो विकुरुते
माया यत्र कदापि नो विकुरुते माया यत्र कदापि नो विकुरुते
भाते जगद्भ्यो बहिः
भाते जगद्भ्यो बहिः भाते जगद्भ्यो बहिः
माया यत्र कदापि नो विकुरुते भाते जगद्भ्यो बहिः
माया यत्र कदापि नो विकुरुते भाते जगद्भ्यो बहिः माया यत्र कदापि नो विकुरुते भाते जगद्भ्यो बहिः
शोकक्रोधविमोहसाध्वसमुखाः
शोकक्रोधविमोहसाध्वसमुखाः शोकक्रोधविमोहसाध्वसमुखाः
भावास्तु दूरङ्गताः
भावास्तु दूरङ्गताः भावास्तु दूरङ्गताः
शोकक्रोधविमोहसाध्वसमुखा भावास्तु दूरङ्गताः
शोकक्रोधविमोहसाध्वसमुखा भावास्तु दूरङ्गताः शोकक्रोधविमोहसाध्वसमुखा भावास्तु दूरङ्गताः
सान्द्रानन्दझरी च यत्र
सान्द्रानन्दझरी च यत्र सान्द्रानन्दझरी च यत्र
परमज्योतिः प्रकाशात्मके
परमज्योतिः प्रकाशात्मके परमज्योतिः प्रकाशात्मके
सान्द्रानन्दझरी च यत्र परमज्योतिः प्रकाशात्मके
सान्द्रानन्दझरी च यत्र परमज्योतिः प्रकाशात्मके सान्द्रानन्दझरी च यत्र परमज्योतिः प्रकाशात्मके
तत्ते धाम विभावितं विजयते
तत्ते धाम विभावितं विजयते तत्ते धाम विभावितं विजयते
वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो
वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो
तत्ते धाम विभावितं विजयते वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो
तत्ते धाम विभावितं विजयते वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो तत्ते धाम विभावितं विजयते वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो माया यत्र कदापि नो विकुरुते भाते जगद्भ्यो बहिः शोकक्रोधविमोहसाध्वसमुखा भावास्तु दूरङ्गताः सान्द्रानन्दझरी च यत्र परमज्योतिः प्रकाशात्मके तत्ते धाम विभावितं विजयते वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो
Well recited. We'll move to the fifth shloka. Ramya, repeat after me. यस्मिन्नाम
यस्मिन्नाम
चतुर्भुजाः
चतुर्भुजाः चतुर्भुजाः
हरिमणिश्यामावत्
हरिमणिश्यामावत् हरिमणिश्यामावत्
आतत्विषः
आतत्विषः आतत्विषः
नानाभूषण
नानाभूषण नानाभूषण
रत्नदीपितदिशः
रत्नदीपितदिशः रत्नदीपितदिशः
राजद्विमानालयाः
राजद्विमानालयाः राजद्विमानालयाः
भक्तिप्राप्त तथा
भक्तिप्राप्त तथा भक्तिप्राप्त तथा
विधोन्नतपदाः
विधोन्नतपदाः विधोन्नतपदाः
दीव्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः
दीव्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः दीव्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः
तत्ते धाम
तत्ते धाम तत्ते धाम
निरस्त सर्वशमलम्
निरस्त सर्वशमलम् निरस्त सर्वशमलम्
वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत्
वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत् वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत्
जयेत् both are fine but
वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत् वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत्
यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजाः
यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजाः यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजाः
हरिमणि
हरिमणि हरिमणि
श्यामावदातत्विषः
श्यामावदातत्विषः श्यामावदातत्विषः
नानाभूषण
नानाभूषण नानाभूषण
रत्नदीपितदिशः
रत्नदीपितदिशः रत्नदीपितदिशः
राजद्विमानालयाः
राजद्विमानालयाः राजद्विमानालयाः
भक्तिप्राप्त
भक्तिप्राप्त भक्तिप्राप्त
तथा विधोन्नतपदाः
तथा विधोन्नतपदाः तथा विधोन्नतपदाः
दीव्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः
दीव्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः दीव्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः
तत्ते धाम
तत्ते धाम तत्ते धाम
निरस्त सर्वशमलम्
निरस्त सर्वमशमल निरस्त सर्वशमलम् निरस्त सर्वशमलम्
वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत्
वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत् वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत्
यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजाः
यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजाः यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजाः
हरिमणिश्यामावदातत्विषः
हरिमणिश्यामावदातत्विषः हरिमणिश्यामावदातत्विषः
First time when I taught, I split it as Shyamavat Atatvishaha, which is a wrong split. It should be Shyama Avadatatvishaha. The first iteration when I taught it, I split it as Shyamavat Atatvishaha, which is wrong. It is Shyama Avadatatvishaha. Anyway, when you read it together, it is the same. There's no mistake in the print of it. नाना यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजा हरिमणिश्यामावदातत्विषः
यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजा हरिमणिश्यामावदातत्विषः यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजा हरिमणिश्यामावदातत्विषः
नानाभूषणरत्नदीपितदिशः
नानाभूषणरत्नदीपितदिशः नानाभूषणरत्नदीपितदिशः
राजद्विमानालयाः
राजद्विमानालयाः राजद्विमानालयाः
नानाभूषणरत्नदीपितदिशो राजद्विमानालयाः
नानाभूषणरत्नदीपितदिशो राजद्विमानालयाः नानाभूषणरत्नदीपितदिशो राजद्विमानालयाः
भक्तिप्राप्त तथा विधोन्नतपदाः
भक्तिप्राप्त तथा विधोन्नतपदाः भक्तिप्राप्त तथा विधोन्नतपदाः
दीप्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः
दीप्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः दीप्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः
भक्तिप्राप्त तथा विधोन्नतपदा दीप्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः
भक्तिप्राप्त तथा विधोन्नतपदा दीप्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः भक्तिप्राप्त तथा विधोन्नतपदा दीप्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः
तत्ते धाम निरस्त सर्वशमलम्
तत्ते धाम निरस्त सर्वशमलम् तत्ते धाम निरस्त सर्वशमलम्
वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत्
वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत् वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत्
ते धाम निरस्त सर्वशमलं वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत्
तत्ते धाम निरस्त सर्वशमलं वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत् तत्ते धाम निरस्त सर्वशमलं वैकुण्ठ रूपं जयेत् यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजा हरिमणिश्यामा वदातत्विषः नानाभूषणरत्नदीपितदिशो राजद्विमानालयाः भक्तिप्राप्त तथा विधोन्नतपदा दीव्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः तत्ते धाम निरस्त सर्वशमलं वैकुण्ठ रूपं जयेत्.
We go to shloka number 6. Spurti, repeat after me. Nana divya
वधूजनैः अभिवृता विद्युल्लतातुल्यया विश्वोन्मादना हृद्यगात्रलतया
विद्योतिता शान्तरा त्वत्पादाम्बुज सौरभैक कुतुकात् लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवम् तत्ते पदं देहि मे नानादिव्यवधूजनैः अभिवृता विद्युल्लतातुल्यया विश्वोन्मादना हृद्यगात्रलतया विद्योतिता शान्तरा त्वत्पादाम्बुज सौरभैककुतुकाल्लक्ष्मीः स्वयं लक्ष्यते यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय
यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय
दिव्यविभवम्
दिव्यविभवम्
तत्ते पदं देहि मे
तत्ते पदं देहि मे तत्ते पदं देहि मे
नानादिव्यवधूजनैरभिवृता
नानादिव्यवधूजनैरभिवृता नानादिव्यवधूजनैरभिवृता
विद्युल्लतातुल्यया
विद्युल्लतातुल्यया विद्युल्लतातुल्यया
नानादिव्यवधूजनैरभिवृता विद्युल्लतातुल्यया
नानादिव्यवधूजनैरभिवृता विद्युल्लतातुल्यया नानादिव्यवधूजनैरभिवृता विद्युल्लतातुल्यया
विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया
विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया
विद्योतिता शान्तरा
विद्योतिता शान्तरा विद्योतिता शान्तरा
विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया विद्योतिता शान्तरा
विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया विद्योतिता शान्तरा विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया विद्योतिता शान्तरा
त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैक
त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैक त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैक
कुतुकाल्लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते
कुतुकाल्लक्ष्मी स्वयं कुतुकाल्लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते कुतुकाल्लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते
त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैक कुतुकाल्लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते
त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैक कुतुकाल्लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैक कुतुकाल्लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते
यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवम्
यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवम् यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवम्
तत्ते पदं देहि मे
तत्ते पदं देहि मे तत्ते पदं देहि मे
यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवम् तत्ते पदं देहि मे
यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवम् तत्ते पदं देहि मे यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवम् तत्ते पदं देहि मे नानादिव्यवधूजनैरभिवृता विद्युल्लतातुल्यया विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया विद्योतिता शान्तरा त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैक कुतुकाल्लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते यस्मिन् विस्मयनीय दिव्यविभवम् तत्ते पदं देहि मे
Next we'll go shloka number 7. Repeat after me. तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते
तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते
निजपदे
निजपदे निजपदे
रत्नासनाध्यासितं
रत्नासनाध्यासितं रत्नासनाध्यासितं
भास्वत्कोटिलसत्
भास्वत्कोटिलसत् भास्वत्कोटिलसत्
किरीटकटकात्
किरीटक
किरीटकटकादि
किरीटकटकादि किरीटकटकादि
आकल्पदि प्राकृति
आकल्पदि प्राकृति आकल्पदि प्राकृति
श्रीवत्साङ्कितम्
श्रीवत्साङ्कितं श्रीवत्साङ्कितम्
आत्तकौस्तुभमणि
आत्तकौस्तुभमणि आत्तकौस्तुभमणि
छायारुणङ्कारणम्
छायारुणङ्कारणम् छायारुणङ्कारणम्
विश्वेशान्तव
विश्वेशान्तव विश्वेशान्तव
रूपमैक्षतविधिः
रूपमैक्षतविधिः रूपमैक्षतविधिः
तत्ते विभो भातु मे
तत्ते विभो भातु मे तत्ते विभो भातु मे
तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते
तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते
निजपदे
निजपदे निजपदे
रत्नासनाध्यासितं
रत्नासनाध्यासितं रत्नासनाध्यासितं
भास्वत्कोटिलसत्
भास्वत्कोटिलसत् भास्वत्कोटिलसत्
किरीटकटकाद्याकल्प
किरीटकटकाद्याकल्प किरीटकटकाद्याकल्प
दीप्राकृति
दीप्राकृति दीप्राकृति
श्रीवत्साङ्कितमात्त
श्रीवत्साङ्कितमात्त श्रीवत्साङ्कितमात्त
कौस्तुभमणिच्छायारुणम्
कौस्तुभमणिच्छायारुणम् कौस्तुभमणिच्छायारुणम्
कारणम्
कारणम् कारणम्
विश्वेशान्तव
विश्वेशान्तव विश्वेशान्तव
उपमैक्षतविधिः
रूपमैक्षतविधिः रूपमैक्षतविधिः
तत्ते विभो भातु मे
तत्ते विभो भातु मे तत्ते विभो भातु मे
तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे
तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे
रत्नासनाध्यासितं
रत्नासनाध्यासितं रत्नासनाध्यासितं
भास्वत् तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे रत्नासनाध्यासितं
तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे रत्नासनाध्यासितं तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे रत्नासनाध्यासितं
भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीट
भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीट भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीट
कटकाद्याकल्पदी प्राकृति
कटकाद्याकल्पदी प्राकृति कटकाद्याकल्पदी प्राकृति
भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीट कटकाद्याकल्पदी प्राकृति
भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीट कटकाद्याकल्पदी प्राकृति भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीट कटकाद्याकल्पदी प्राकृति
श्रीवत्साङ्कितमात्तकौस्तुभमणि
श्रीवत्साङ्कितमात्तकौस्तुभमणि श्रीवत्साङ्कितमात्तकौस्तुभमणि
छायारुणङ्कारणम्
छायारुणङ्कारणम् छायारुणङ्कारणम्
श्रीवत्साङ्कितमात्तकौस्तुभमणि छायारुणङ्कारणम्
श्रीवत्साङ्कितमात्तकौस्तुभमणिच्छायारुणङ्कारणम् श्रीवत्साङ्कितमात्तकौस्तुभमणिच्छायारुणङ्कारणम्
विश्वेशान्तवरूपमैक्षत
विश्वेशान्तवरूपमैक्षत विश्वेशान्तवरूपमैक्षत
विधिस्तत्ते विभो भातु मे
विधिस्तत्ते विभो भातु मे विधिस्तत्ते विभो भातु मे
विश्वेशान्तवरूपमैक्षत विधिस्तत्ते विभो भातु मे
विश्वेशान्तवरूपमैक्षत विधिस्तत्ते विभो भातु मे विश्वेशान्तवरूपमैक्षत विधिस्तत्ते विभो भातु मे तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे रत्नासनाध्यासितं भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीटकटकाद्याकल्पदी प्राकृति श्रीवत्साङ्कितमात्तकौस्तुभमणिच्छायारुणङ्कारणम् विश्वेशान्तवरूपमैक्षत विधिस्तत्ते विभो भातु मे
श्लोका नंबर 8 कन्या repeat it कालाम्भोद
कालाम्भोद कालाम्भोद
कलाय कोमल
कलाय कोमल कलाय कोमल
रुचिचक्रेण
रुचिचक्रेण रुचिचक्रेण
क्रन्दिशाम्
चक्रन्दिशाम् चक्रन्दिशाम्
आवृण्वानम्
आवृण्वानम् आवृण्वानम्
उदारमन्दहसित
उदारमन्दहसित उदारमन्दहसित
स्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम्
स्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम् स्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम्
राजत्कम्बो
राजत्कम्बो राजत्कम्बो
गदारिपङ्कजधर
गदारिपङ्कजधर गदारिपङ्कजधर
श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम्
श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम् श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम्
स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरम्
स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरम् स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरम्
वपुस्तव विभो
वपुस्तव विभो वपुस्तव विभो
मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत्
मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत् मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत्
कालाम्भोदकलाय
कालाम्भोदकलाय कालाम्बोधकलाय कालाम्भोदकलाय
कोमलरुचिचक्रेण
कोमलरुचिचक्रेण कोमलरुचिचक्रेण
चक्रन्दिशाम्
चक्रन्दिशाम् चक्रन्दिशाम्
आवृण्वानमुदार
आवृण्वानमुदार आवृण्वानमुदार
मन्दहसितस्यन्द
मन्दहसितस्यन्द मन्दहसितस्यन्द
प्रसन्नाननम्
प्रसन्नाननम् प्रसन्नाननम्
राजत्कम्बु
राजत्कम्बु राजत्कम्बु
गदारि पङ्कजधर
गदारि पङ्कजधर गदारि पङ्कजधर
श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम्
श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम् श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम्
स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरम्
स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरम् स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरम्
वपुस्तव विभो
वपुस्तव विभो वपुस्तव विभो
मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत्
मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत् मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत्
कालाम्भोदकलाय कोमलरुचि
कालाम्भोदकलाय कोमलरुचि कालाम्भोदकलाय कोमलरुचि
चक्रेण चक्रन्दिशाम्
चक्रेण चक्रन्दिशाम् चक्रेण चक्रन्दिशाम्
कालाम्भोदकलाय कोमलरुचि चक्रेण चक्रन्दिशाम्
कालाम्भोदकलाय कोमलरुचि चक्रेण चक्रन्दिशाम् कालाम्भोदकलाय कोमलरुचि चक्रेण चक्रन्दिशाम्
आवृण्वानमुदारमन्दहसित
आवृण्वानमुदारमन्दहसित आवृण्वानमुदारमन्दहसित
स्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम्
स्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम् स्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम्
आवृण्वानमुदारमन्दहसितः स्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम्
आवृण्वानमुदारमन्दहसितः स्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम् आवृण्वानमुदार मन्दहसितस्यन्द प्रसन्नाननम्
राजत्कम्बुगदारि पङ्कजधर
राजत्कम्बुगदारि पङ्कजधर राजत्कम्बुगदारि पङ्कजधर
श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम्
श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम् श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम्
राजत्कम्बुगदारि पङ्कजधर श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम्
राजत्कम्बुगदारि पङ्कजधर श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम् राजत्कम्बुगदारि पङ्कजधर श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम्
स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो
स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो
द्रोगमुद्वासयेत्
मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत् मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत्
तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत्
स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत् स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत् कालाम्भोदकलाय कोमलरुचिचक्रेण चक्रन्दिशाम् आवृण्वानमुदारमन्दहसितस्य हसितस्यन्द प्रसन्नाननम् आवृण्वानमुदारमन्दहसितस्यन्द प्रसन्नाननम् राजत्कम्बुगदारि पङ्कजधर श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलम् स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो मुद्रागमुद्वासयेत्
Repeat the last line.
स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो मद्रोगमुद्वासयेत्
I think that is enough for today with the shlokas. Just 3 announcements. So one is you all would have got a mail on 2 of these announcements already, that the memorization test starts from tomorrow. About I think 60 people have registered, 65 of them, and then few of them have backed out, and so we have about 50 of them who are going to participate in the test over the next 5 days, that is. So starting tomorrow, that is Sunday, till Thursday. So tomorrow we have only 5 participants, so it will be from 2 to about 3:15, 3:30 probably. And then Monday it's in the night session, so that people who are not in the Indian time zone or some other time zone, it's easier for them. So we have from 8 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. on Monday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, it is from 2 to 5 p.m. That is afternoon time, India time. So those who are not participating can join the link that has come in your mail. So it says join the memorization test. So that is not for you to register or anything. That is just for you to watch, if at all you are interested. So you can watch the test, how it is going on. So the test will start tomorrow and it will happen. The second announcement being the first session of the discourse, which a lot of people have been asking, will be having tomorrow. Will be happening tomorrow evening, starting from 6 to 8 p.m. It will be through YouTube live stream. A link has not been created, so you go to the Vyoma channel about 10-15 minutes before 6 o'clock. The live stream will have just begun. You can press that. So again, this the mail for this also has been sent out. The link given there, if you press on it, it will take you to the Vyoma Sanskrit page on YouTube, Vyoma channel page. And then there, when the live program is going on, you can click on it and then you can start viewing it. So it's 6 to 8 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. And I got a lot of mails this week saying the session has not been uploaded. So I was a little sick and therefore I was not well, and therefore I could not update the web page. But the video of the class, I uploaded on Sunday itself or at most by Monday morning. So this whole session that is recorded on the YouTube, it comes up very quickly. But updating the course page takes some more effort. There is a lot of linking and stuff that I have to do. So that takes longer time. So I did not have time to do it this week. So if at all you want to look at the video, do not wait for the course page to update. You can go to YouTube straight away and search for it. It will be up mostly by Sunday night. Only a few times it might be up by Monday morning. Yeah. So that please take care of that. Do not wait for things to get updated on course page. Course page, yeah, the PPT and the audio will be updated later. Mostly 100% will happen by before the next class. That is, I did it today. But just for, I'm just saying, so that if you want to look at the video, do not wait for the course page to be updated. Any other questions you have, you can ask during the question session today. I think these were the 3 main announcements that I wanted to make. The discourse is tomorrow. Anybody can attend the discourse, anybody who, because it's anyway a YouTube live discourse. And the memorization test will starting from tomorrow till Thursday. Now we will have some revision recitation by the students, and then 15 minutes of question answer session. Just Dashakam 6 and last time's Dashakam 7 we'll have revision. We'll start from 6.8. So 6.8, 9, 10 and 7, 1, 2, 3 we will have the revision. I will put down all the hands. I have put down all the hands. Now you can raise your hands to recite the shloka. Let us find the new names. Vasupriya, Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram, yes.
6.8.
Yes.
श्रोणीस्थलं मृगनापदयोर्नगास्ते हस्तस्युष्टरसैन्दवमुखा कमनं तु कालः विप्रातिवर्णपवनं वदनाब्जबाहु शारोरु युग्मशरणं करुणाब्धुदेते.
Good. On the whole, it's good recitation. You have to give more, you have to notice and on aksharas, like this is charanam, not sharanam. And the mahapranas also, you have to give more importance. Okay. Otherwise, good recitation.
Okay, thank you, Ji.
Thank you. Suvarna Sudagoni. Suvarna Sudagoni.
Namaskaram, Mahoday.
Namaskaram, yes.
Same shloka?
No, next one. Sorry, I have changed the
Samsara chakramayi chakradhara kriyaste viryam mahasuraghanosti kulani shailaha natyasarit samudayastaravascharoma jiyadidam vapura nirvachaniyamisha.
The whole thing was very well recited. Only this tha you have to give the mahaprana. Asthikula nishaila.
Asthikula nishaila. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. Maragadam. Ram Ram. Maragadam.
Vanakkam Guruji. 10th ஸ்லோகங்களா? 10th.
Yes, 10th. Yes, 10th.
ईतृजगन्मयव पुस्तव कर्म भाजाम् कर्मावसा न समये स्मरणीयमागुः दस्यान्तरात्मवपुषे विमलात्मने ते वादालयातिब नमोऽस्तु निरन्ति रोगान्.
Good. Well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, we will go to 7th Dashakam, first shloka. Srilata Gupuru.
एवं नमस्ते महोदय। एवं देव चतुर्दशात्मक जगद्रूपेण जात पुनः स्तोत्रध्वं खलु सत्यलोकनिलये जातोऽसि धाता स्वयं। Sorry, I cannot hear you, Mahodaya.
Second line, repeat the second line.
Okay. Staryordhvam khalu satyaloka.
It is tasyordhvam.
Oh, stasyordhvam khalu satyaloka nilaye jatosi dhata swayam.
I think you have a book in your hand, am I right?
Mahodaya?
You have a book in your hand?
Yeah, I have on the screen.
Okay, no. It is on the screen. It is not the one that I am showing. You have a different book?
Yeah, I have a different Telugu script I have.
Okay. The point is, here I have split it as punaha. And then, so the second line, in your book, it will have an extra sa. And then that's why you found it very difficult to read. That first sa should be taken off. It is just tasyordhvam. Because we are splitting the sandhi. In the first line, we stop it as punaha, and second line, we start it as tasyordhvam. In all the books, it will be like that only. You have to strike out that half sa and then put a visarga on the first line, like I have shown on the screen.
Mahodaya.
Okay. I will update the Telugu script also on the website this week. I could not do it the past week. I will update the Telugu script and then you can see that. Yeah. Anyway, Mahodaya. Go on to the third line. Yes.
Yam sham samti hiranya garbhamukha yam sham santi hiranya garbhamukila trailokya jivatmakam yo bhut spitarajo vikara vikasannanasi sruksharasaha.
Okay, good try. This is Akila. You said little differently. That as we practice, it will come. Good. Srivatsa 11. After that, I will call out Mahalakshmi Balaji.
Namaste Mahodaya. मम नाम वेङ्कटेशः इति श्रीवत्सालवन् इति आगच्छति। श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते।
अस्तु। सोऽयं विश्वविसर्ग
I think
वदति वा?
Yes, please, yes. Continue.
नमस्ते, वदामि वा?
वदन्तु।
अन्यः कोऽपि वदति इति मध्ये
म्यूट् न कृतवती।
अस्तु।
पूर्वम् उक्तवती, सा म्यूट् न कृतवती, तदपि आगतम्।
सोऽयं विश्वविसर्गदत्तहृदयः सम्पश्यमानः स्वयं बोधं कल्वनवाप्य विश्वविषयं चिन्ताकुलस्तस्तिवान् तावत् त्वं जगतां पते तपतपेत्येवं हि वैहायसीं वाणीमेनमशिश्रवश्रुतिसुखां कुर्वन्स्तपः प्रेरणाम्.
Good, very nice, clear recitation. Here, there's only this tasthivan, this thakara you mahaprana you missed, and tapah preranam. It's like you have to put one F here.
Yeah. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः. Next, Mahalakshmi Bajaj.
नमस्ते महोदय.
नमस्ते.
कोसो मामवदत् पुमानिति जलापूर्णे जगन्मण्डले दिक्षुद्वीक्ष्य किमप्यनीक्षितवता वाक्यार्थमुत्पश्यता दिव्यं वर्षसहस्रमात्ततपसा तेन त्वमाराधितः तस्मै दर्शितवानसि स्वनिलयं वैकुण्ठमो मेकाद्भुतम्.
Very well decided. Very good. I
धन्यवादः.
think enough for revision today. We have a lot of people raising their hands, but I'll just put down all your hands. Those who want to ask questions can raise their hands. I put down all the hands now. If you want to ask questions, you can raise your hand. For question, we will start with Vijay Lakshmi Kirtivasan. After that, I'll call out Meena. Vijay Lakshmi Kirtivasan.
Shruyate va?
Ram.
Namaste, Ram. I just have a doubt regarding the tomorrow's live YouTube live stream. By any chance we miss it, will it be there? Recorded version irukuma keka mudiyuma?
Yes. Once it is live, it has been broadcast live. It will be there in the same Vyoma channel. Because it just YouTube usually it gets embedded there live. All live streams get recorded and then embedded. Only if you do not want to do that, they have to take down.
Okay, because we have another class, so which this meanings I wanted to know, and unfortunately it clashes with my other class. And regarding the test, Mahoday,
some other commitment. Later you can listen to it, and even people who are not in the for some time zone problems, even they can listen to it.
Okay, and regarding the test, we like how will it go? Will it go in order or the mock test kind only? Mock test we find it quite difficult,
it will go in order. It will go in order only. Only the participant is too good, then to make them make a mistake, maybe we'll ask out the part. But that is
so we should not be too good then, not to make a mistake.
No, that's not how you should look at it.
No, I'm just kidding. It's just that the difficulty level will vary depending upon how you perform, isn't it?
Exactly.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
V and Meena. After that, I'll call out Uma Kriti. Ram.
இன்னைக்கு என்ன அங்க இன்டர்நெட் ப்ராப்ளமா? இங்க இன்டர்நெட் ஆடியோ இல்லைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அதனால போன் மூலமா தான் என்னால அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண முடிஞ்சது. கிளாஸ் கொஞ்ச நாள் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணல, அதனாலனா
I don't know. Many people have logged in through their internet. I know in the beginning there was some lag for about 3-4 minutes. After that it became proper. There was no issue. Everybody has logged in. I see that only yours is showing phone, but everybody has logged in through their computers and other devices.
I don't know why. இங்க எனக்கு இன்டர்நெட் no audio, internet audio is available.
Maybe you log out and log in again, then it might help sometimes.
Okay, அதனால கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண முடியல. நான் ரெக்கார்டட் வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So I can hear to that. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Uma Kriti, then I call Soumya.
கொஞ்ச நாள் இருந்தது அப்புறம் சரியாயிடுச்சுங்கறாரு அவர்.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
I think that separate recitation of Sriman Narayanam Dasakam 6 has not been uploaded in the YouTube.
Yeah, it has not yet been uploaded because this week I did not have time. I was little unwell to do so. I will upload it the coming.
Okay, thank you Mahodaya.
Thank you. Soumya Thokala, if that is the right pronunciation of your name. Soumya.
Yes, sir.
Ram.
Namaste, sir. I already asked my question, and again the last slokala, third line, நான் பாக்குற புக்ல இட்ஸ் கதாசின்னு போட்டிருக்கு. அது கதாரியா கதாசியான்னு கொஞ்சம் கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணு.
அதான் அது பாட்ட பேதம் ரெண்டும் கரெக்ட். அசின்னாலும் அசின்னா கத்தி, அரின்னா சக்கரம். அது சோ அது ரெண்டு பாட்ட பேதம் இருக்கும். அது பரவாயில்ல. Both are correct.
Okay, sir.
Going to continue with Gadari.
Okay, Rajat Kambu Gadasi. Gadari. Okay.
நம்ம படிக்க போறோம். அது கதாசியும் தப்பு இல்ல. It is not wrong.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Shubha 1167. After that, I'll call Lakshmi Ravi Kumar. Ram
Hello.
Ram Shubha.
Ram Ram. ஒரே ஒரு ரெக்வஸ்ட், நாட் டு பி மிஸ்டேக்கன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அந்த ரிவிஷன் பண்ணும்போது ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா போன மாதிரி எனக்கு தோணித்து.
இன்னைக்கா? சரி, அவன்கிட்ட சொல்றேன். Panelist goes so.
I'm very sorry to say this. I could not follow what they were reciting. I felt it was too fast.
Sometimes they have some of them have memorized the shloka, so
yeah, I understand.
Yes, that's why I keep telling them to slow down. I understand.
Okay.
We will try to keep it.
Okay, thank you.
Lakshmi Ravi Kumar.
Ram.
Ram.
நீங்க இந்த மாக் டெஸ்ட் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணப்போ பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் ரிசைட் பண்ணும்போது நீங்க அடுத்த கொஸ்டின் சொல்லும்போது ஐ வாஸ் நாட் ஏபிள் டு கான்சென்ட்ரேட். நீங்க என்ன கேக்குறீங்கிறதே எனக்கு தெரியல ஆக்சுவலி, பிகாஸ் ஐ வாஸ் கான்சென்ட்ரேட்டிங் ஆன் த பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட். லைக்வைஸ் இப்ப நீங்க ஏதாவது கேள்வி கேட்கும்போது நான் ரிசைட் பண்ணும்போது நீங்க நடுவுல அடுத்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு போனேன்னா சப்போஸ் எனக்கு தெரியலனா will you repeat the question?
Yeah. இது ஆன்லைன்ல I know voice will not carry through always, so that and all we will repeat. Even when we are telling
அதுக்காக இல்ல இப்ப நான் ரிசைட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது see you don't want me to continue, you want to go on to the next question. அப்போ நான் ரிசைட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போதே நீங்க சொல்லுவே இல்லையா அடுத்த क्वेश्चन. I may not be
you cannot hear it, so we will repeat again, don't worry.
Oh, that is not a problem இல்லையா? So okay, thank you.
Yeah, don't overthink. The test will be simple. We are not
இல்ல கொஞ்சம் ஒரு டென்ஷன் ஒரு டென்ஷன் இருக்கு ஆக்சுவலி, எப்படி பண்ணுவோமோன்னு.
That should always be there when you're giving any test. It should be there a little more, but
I had been a teacher all along my life. ஆனா இப்ப நான் டெஸ்ட் கொடுக்கும்போது பயமா இருக்கு ஒரு மாதிரி.
புரியுது. நானே டெஸ்ட் கொடுக்கிறேன், எனக்கு இதுலயே டெஸ்ட் கொடுக்கறனால எனக்கு பயமா தான் இருக்கும். அந்த பயம்ங்கிறது வேண்டியதுதான், அப்பதான் நல்லா பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, thank you so much.
Jayalakshmi. After that, I'll call V Padmavati.
Namaskar.
Ram.
நான் nearing to 70. எனக்கு இந்த சேர்ந்துக்கணும்னு ஆசையா இருக்கு. பட் ஆனா என்னால பார்க்காத படிக்க முடியாது. நானா நிறைய படிச்சுட்டே தான் இருக்கேன், எப்பவுமே படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கேன். ஆனா என்னால பார்க்க மெமரிஸ்ல வச்சுட்டு சொல்ல முடியாது. நான் புத்தகத்தை
புஸ்தகத்தை பார்த்து படிக்கிறது தனியா வச்சிருக்கோம். அது 2-3 வாட்டி அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அது செப்பரேட்டா ஒரு டெஸ்ட் இருக்கு. அது செப்பரேட்டா 20-25 தசகத்துக்கு அப்புறம் படிக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு டெஸ்ட் வைக்க போறோம். அப்ப நீங்க கலந்துக்கலாம்.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம், ரொம்ப நமஸ்காரம்.
வி பத்மாவதி.
ராம் சார், 6வது ஸ்லோகத்துல லாஸ்ட் லைன் விபவான்னு 2 புக்லயும் இருக்கு. என்கிட்ட 2 புக் இருக்கு. அது விபவாவா விபவமா? யஸ்மின் விஸ்வம் திவ்ய விபவாவா
விபவம் வெச்சுக்கிறோம். நம்ம பாடம் விபவம்
தான். ஓகே. 2 புக்லயும் விபவான் இருக்கு.
அது ரெண்டுமே ஒரே பாடத்தை ஃபாலோ பண்ணிருப்பா, இது வேற பாடம்.
சரி, ஓகே. நான் தன்யவாதம்.
Shrikant. After that, I'll call Chitra Tyagarajan. Shrikant. Ram.
I'm not able to hear you properly. Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's not clear. I can hear you. It is not clear.
Is it better now?
Little better. Yes. Tell me.
Okay. For the memorization test, I have actually memorized only 2 dashakams. Is it okay to attend the test, or?
Okay, you attend. We will.
Okay.
Yeah. Chitra Tyagarajan. Next, I call out Vasupriya. Chitra Tyagarajan. Ram.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Namaste Mahodaya, I have one suggestion. நீங்க இந்த டெக்ஸ்ட் அப்லோட் பண்றீங்க இல்லையா, அதுல சந்தஸ் நேம் கொடுக்குறேன். அதுக்கு கீழே அந்த தசகத்தோட எதை பத்தி வர்ணனம் பண்றது அதை பத்தி சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா, அது அந்த டைட்டில் கொஞ்சம் கொடுத்துருவேளா? லைக் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் வந்து ஸ்ரீ பகவன் மகிமா வர்ணனம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது அந்த டைட்டில் மாதிரி கொடுத்துடலாமா? அதுக்கு
அது கொடுக்கலாம். அது எப்படி கடைசியில இந்த எண்ட் we have anyway putting it is நாராயணே
கடைசியில வருது. பட் முதல்ல இருந்தா கொஞ்சம் ரிலேட் பண்றதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும்னு எனக்கு தோன்றது. ஆல் தி ஸ்லோகாஸ் அதுக்காக if possible just a request. Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Vasupriya, Ram Ram. Vasupriya.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Yes. Yes, yes, I can hear.
In 7th sloka, 7.5,
yes.
that yasmin nama sadurpuja harimani shyama avadadat visho or vishaha.
That's what. Since we are splitting, it is avadatat vishaha. We split it there. If you are going to continuously tell both the lines, you can tell avadatat visho and continue. In all the books, it will be given as avadatat visho only. But since we are stopping there, this is the best way to tell, and this is easier way to tell. This is how we have to tell.
Vishaha. Oh, okay. Dhanyawadaha.
Thank you. Shweta 209. After that, I will call Shilata.
Ram Ram, sir.
Ram.
In the YouTube videos which you have put, like every dashakam, the 5th dashakam has only 9 slokas.
Is it?
Yes. In fact,
I think the 5th dashakam there was some problem in the audio during the class. It has the audio of the shloka, but the screen does not change from 9 till almost the end of the video. I've seen that, correct? On the screen, the shloka does not change, but my recitation goes on to the 10th shloka.
Okay.
So you can see a different book and then you can listen to it. It is proper. It is just the screen does not change due to some technical issue.
I had that doubt. So, okay, sir. Yeah. Because for preparing for the exam, I'm thinking, oh, what if I miss out on one shloka? Then it is not nice.
No. The audio is proper. The 10th shloka audio is there, but the screen only on the video, it does not change to the 10th shloka.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
Srilata.
Namaskara, Mahodaya. These testing sessions, are those available later to watch or no?
I don't know. We don't know whether we have to post it. I don't know whether it is required. It is not. We will think about it. And we have to ask the participants also whether they would like to put it publicly. That is also we have to.
Not all for sample kind of thing. So I thought
because we have to take permission from the participants to do that. We will ask them, and then if required, we will see whether
we have the time difference. I don't know. Like I really wanted to watch, but I thought check.
On Monday there is one in the night, India night time, so 8 to 10 p.m. You can watch that.
Okay. Thank you.
Ashok RV. Ram.
நான் அசோக்கோட வைஃப். நானும் அவரோட கிளாஸ்ல உட்காந்துப்பேன். எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு டவுட். 7th சாப்டர் 7வது ஸ்லோகம் இருக்கு இல்லையா?
சொல்லுங்க.
ஓகே, 8வது சாரி, 8வது ஸ்லோகம். அதுல நான் தமிழ்ல படிப்பேன். ஏன்னா எனக்கு இது தெரியாது, சம்ஸ்கிருதம் தெரியாது. அதுல என் தமிழ்ல வந்து காளாம்பூர கலாயர் எல்லாமே பெரிய லா கொடுத்திருக்கு. சின்னது சொல்லணுமா பெருசு சொல்லணுமா?
இந்த லால வந்து சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல 2 கிடையாது. தட் இஸ் இப்ப கிளாசிக்கல் சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல ஒரே லா தான் இருக்கிறது. பழைய வைதிக சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல 2 மாதிரி லா இருக்கு. இந்த கலாக்கெல்லாம் வந்து சின்ன லா தான். கோமல அதுக்கெல்லாமும் சின்னமே நீங்க நம்ம தமிழ்ல எப்பயும் சொல்ற லாவே சொல்லலாம். லகாரம் வராது. Only the law is used everywhere in Sanskrit. If at all in the regional language you do get the lakara somewhere, it is okay if you use that. But usually it is all the simple law.
ஏன்னா சில இடத்துல இதுலயே சின்ன லா தான் கொடுத்திருக்கா, இந்த மாதிரி சில ஸ்லோகத்துல பெருசு கொடுத்திருக்கா.
Actually here Komala, everything is in Tamil this law only. Here in this shloka, none of it is this law.
எல்லாமே சின்னதா. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
I'm answering in English because a lot of people asked me last time that if you answer in Tamil, we are not able to.
That's no problem. எனக்கு text I read in இதுங்கறதுனால I want that clarification.
It is good if you learn some other script, because in Tamil there is no difference between ka, kha, ga and ha. That is why I have not uploaded that script. It is good if you learn one of the other either South Indian scripts or Devanagari. It will be good. For Tamil, you can even learn Grantham, which is a nice, which is a substitute for Devanagari. You can easily transition because most of the letters are Tamil, and then just
he knows Hindi, he helped me out fulla. Hindi he knows
all the people who are following Tamil script, that I know learning a new script is difficult, but transitioning to Grantham would be easier probably.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Pushkala, after that I will call Geeta Vinod. Pushkala S.
ராம். நாளைக்கு நீங்க 1ல இருந்து 5 தசகம் மீனிங் சொல்றேன்னு சொல்லிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? அது தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவேளா இல்ல இங்கிலீஷ் சான்ஸ்கிரிட் அப்படிதான் சொல்லுவேளா?
In English, because there are people from all languages. I myself with Upanyasam, I am comfortable more in Tamil, but it will be more in English because there are people from all over the world who do not know Tamil, and this class itself has people from other backgrounds like Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, and many other, even Hindi and Marathi. So it will be in English. Yeah.
Okay. முடிஞ்சா கொஞ்சமா சொல்லுங்க தமிழ்ல.
கொஞ்சம் சொன்னா அந்த கொஞ்சம் அவளுக்கு புரியாதே அப்புறம்.
ஓகே.
தமிழ்ல எவ்வளவோ நிறைய நல்ல உபன்யாசங்கள் இருக்கு. பாலாஜி பாகவதர் பண்ணிருக்க, இது துஷ்யந்த் ஸ்ரீதர் கூட இப்ப சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காருன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அதெல்லாம் கேட்டுக்கலாம் நீங்க. தமிழ்ல எவ்வளவோ பேர் நல்லா சொல்லியிருக்கா. சுந்தரகுமார்லாம் எவ்வளவோ அழகா உபன்யாசம் பண்ணிருக்கா. மகான்லாம் நிறைய பேர் மகான்கள்லாம் நிறைய பண்ணிருக்கா. அவளை விட நான் ஒன்னும் பெருசா சொல்லிட போறது இல்லை இங்க புதுசா. எல்லாம்
கேக்குறவா எல்லாமே தமிழ்ல தானே கேக்குறா. அப்ப தமிழ்ல சொன்னா கொஞ்சம் உபயோகமா இருக்கு. உங்ககிட்ட கொஸ்டின் கேக்குறவா எல்லாமே மோஸ்ட்லி தமிழ்ல தான் கேக்குறா.
மோஸ்ட்லி எவ்வளவுதானே அந்த இருக்காளே ஒரு 50% தமிழ்ல கேட்காதவா இருக்கா. அதனால எல்லாரையும் சேர்த்து அழிச்சுன்னு போனோங்கிறதால தான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் சொல்லுவேன்.
ஓகே. ராம்.
Yeah, Geeta Vinod. Next I'll call out KR Vidya. Ram.
Hari Om Mahoday.
Hari Om.
5.10.
Yes.
Last shloka in 5th one. Adla in the last two lines, Sahasraihi Karapada Murdha Nivahaihi. Setu சொல்லும்போது is போடணுமா இரு போடணுமா? Because that was not very clear in the odd.
Okay.
Sahasrai Karapadamur அங்க சேர்த்து சொல்றச்ச எப்படி வரும்?
Sahasraihi is, there's a pronunciation like H. Sahasraish Karapada Murdha Nivahair Nishesha. Here it is already, Ra is already there.
Ra is there, is it?
Yeah, it is there. Nivahair Nishesha. See the screen?
Nivahair Nishesha Ra இருக்கு. Sahasraikku என்ன போடணும்? When you tell together.
Yeah, when you tell it together, you have to put there should be one H kind of sound. It is called
H. அப்ப இஷ் தான் வரும் இல்லையா?
It's called Jihvamuliya in Sanskrit.
Jihvamuliya.
Karapada. Sahasraish Karapada.
So it is Sha. Shankara and a half Sha.
No, there is no Sha. No. That's why I'm telling H. I'm writing it in English. It is H.
Okay.
Assume there is a letter like H over there. Sahasraish Karapada.
Apo, I'll tell once. Sahasraish Karapada Murdha Nivahairnish. Okay. And one more thing.
it was mentioned in the
followed by either ka or ha. This is the pronunciation that will come.
Oh, okay. For that, those two special letters you had mentioned, correct?
And
Thank
similarly,
you.
when visarga is followed by either pa or ha, like I told before, the F pronunciation will come, which is called
fa. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. And it was mentioned in the email that we need to have headphones with mic.
Because no, headphones with mic be said because when you are telling, you have to both hear and listen. Now this is good enough.
Am I clear and audible now? Is it okay if I do like this?
Yes, yeah, fine.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mahoday.
Next, KR Vidya. Did I already ask? I got confused. Sorry. If you already got your question answered, please put your hand down. I'm confused. Did I already ask KR Vidya? Okay, Ananta Balaji. Ananta Balaji.
I am not emails, particularly for tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow evening program. I'm not getting the email. I didn't get the email at all.
I see. Okay, then you can write to the Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala. That is the what is the thing? Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala at this thing. I forgot the exact mail ID, but I hope you will find it on the website. That you can write to them, and they will add you to that group. Usually, if you have attended the webinar, you should be added there already automatically. But there should be, you can send them your mail and then say, please add me to the.
Okay. Thank you, Mahad.
Thank you. Girija Vaidishwaran Girija. Girija Vaidishwaran. Girija Vaidishwaran. Then Radha Rangarajan I follow.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Namaskaram Mahodaya. Excellent solli tharela enakku rombave. I'm very eagerly waiting for Saturday evenings. Ellathiyum mudichu eppiyadhu and ukandruven. I'm using this book the Mepattur Narayana Bhattathiri vandu edinadhu, and Ramakrishna Madathila I mean they printed, I mean they bought it. And the book mostly ella seriyada irukku. Konjam and Sanskrit edinadhu the davam mix rendu சேர்த்து எழுதுறா இல்லையா, அது இல்லாம தனித்தனியா எழுதிருக்கா. இந்த தனியா அந்த இது போட்டு விசர்க்க கீழே ஒரு லைன் போடுவா இல்லையா, அது half தாவா அது வந்து கரெக்ட் தானே. சோ ஐ மீன் எனக்கு ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்ட்டபிளா இருக்கு இந்த ஸ்கிரீன். பட் இது ஃபுல் திங் ஐ ஹேவ் டு பிரிண்ட் அவுட். அதுக்கு என்கிட்ட ஃபுல் புக்கே இருக்கு. சோ நான் அதுல தான் எனி கரெக்ஷன் அதுல பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். பட் ஐ அம் நாட் yet ரெடி ஃபார் த டெஸ்ட். ஏன்னா ஐ ஹேவ் டு கேட்ச் அப் 5 chapters இல்ல கேட்ச் அப் பண்ணனும். 5 இன்னும் ஏன்னா நான் இப்பதான் லாஸ்ட் சாட்டர்டே தான் ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
Test for chapter 6 to 10, that time you can participate.
Yes. அப்போ எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் இந்த நான் இப்போ how you சொல்லி கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் pronunciation சரியா வந்திருக்கான்னு next time I want to read one of those stanzas. Yeah, please. Okay. Thank you very much. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு கிளாஸ். ரொம்பவே இன்ட்ரஸ்டிங்கா போகுது. Thank you so much. I only hope I get it by heart. I'm not a youngster. I'm also senior citizen. So
if you keep reading again and again, it will happen.
Yeah, that is what. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு.
Ram. Radha Rangarajan.
Ram. Namaskar Mahodaya. Actually for tomorrow's session and for the test session, will we get a link to join or how is it?
Yeah, for the test session, already a link has been sent out through the mail. Very similar to what you get for every week for the Narayaniam class.
Okay.
The mail has already come yesterday night, I think. Yeah, yesterday night around 9 o'clock, you would have received a mail.
Oh, okay. But I don't think I've got it. That is why I asked you.
So for the Upanyasam also, you have received a mail with the link, but the link will take you to the YouTube homepage of Vyoma channel. There, the video will start, the live stream will start appearing only tomorrow, 10-15 minutes before the session.
Actually, in the 7th Dasakam, the fifth
Yes.
shloka. In that, you know, I have the Gita Press book. In that Chaturbujaha, that Visarga is not there. And you were saying that when you were chanting it, you know, in parts, but when you were saying complete line, that Visarga thing is not there in that, is it?
Correct. It will not be there anywhere, because during Sandhi that Visarga goes away. But when we split it, and when I'm splitting, teaching you, I have to tell the Visarga there. Because
in my book, even that Visarga is not there at all after Chaturbhuja. So that's why I asked you.
On my screen, it is not there. If you see the screen, even on the screen, it is not there.
Correct.
Correct. Therefore, because when you chant it completely, the Visarga, the Lopa happens during the Sandhi.
Okay, so that has nothing, that sound will not come. Like Yasmin Nama Chaturbuja Harimani.
It just disappears. That's all.
It disappears. Okay. Okay.
That is the rule of the Sandhi there.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. I hope all your questions are answered. I think I've answered everybody. Have I missed any? KR Vidya. And yeah, please check your spam if you have not received the mail or anything. It will have gone to the spam. That is a possibility. Please check your spam mails.
I get all the mails, even for attending today's I got it. So that's why I asked you.
KR Vidya. Yes.
Ram Mahadev.
Ram, yes.
My question is also related to the letter La, because I learned this Navavarnam Pritis some years, 1 or 2 years back. There is La with an infinity, like it's curved and joint. That is also pronounced as La, or that pronounced at La?
Yeah, this one.
Yes.
This is the La that corresponds to the La in Tamil, or the same thing written in Kannada, which looks like this in Kannada, and so on. Yeah, so this La does exist, but it does not, in the sense it exists in the Vaidika pronunciation. In the Vedic pronunciation, that La exists.
Okay.
But in the classic Sanskrita, we don't use that La anywhere.
Okay, so if that is there in the Navavarnams, it has to be pronounced as La only, like in Tamil La.
La.
Okay.
La.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Lakshmi Ji. Lakshmi Ji. Last question for today. Lakshmi Ji. Lakshmi Ji, you raised your hand. You're unmuted by me. You're not mute yourself. Okay. Yeah, you're not able to unmute yourself. Probably we'll end the class there for now. Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste Ram 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 Sarvebhyah Punarmilamah. Agrime Saptahe.